Hello YouTube, this is your Kuya DIY Paul Abordo, and today we will have a simple unboxing of the Anker Nano II charger. It is a 60-watt charger which is ultra portable, and let us just speed through the unboxing experience. Here we have the box, so just pause the video if you want to see the details. So let us just inspect for legitimacy. So this is the front, the bottom part, and it is made from China. We have the sides and the top. It has this sticker, so let us just quickly open it. And guys, please be careful when using a knife or scissor when opening your packages. So here is the upon opening. This is the unit, and we've got some manual. Okay, so this channel promotes the reading of the manual first before operating any of your items or gadgets. So this is the actual unit, so let us just speed through the opening. Here we have, I think, the warranty card and other details of the unit, so it is best to read everything. So this is the unit itself. So as you can see, it is well sealed. It is very compact. So this is the top part of the facing you, the item and some details. And yet, if you want to see the details at the bottom, just pause the video once again. So it is said that the Anker USB charger, or the 715 charger Nano II 60 watt, is a versatile and powerful charger suitable for various devices. So let us just check it once again, and as you can see, the charger is ultra portable as you can unfold the prongs. So this is the sides and the bottom of the unit. So once again, YouTube, thank you, subscribe, like, and share.